Hello! I think this is recording, so I guess I can start talking. Hi! Oh, it says low network connection again. God damn it, Facebook! Why do you suck so bad? So I'm here with my friend Hank Shaw. He's at the site Hunter, Angler, Gardener, Cook. What is it again?
Huntgathercook.com.
Huntgathercook.com. And we're making a different kind of tamales that is very exciting. So I'm going to push the camera over to him. Figure out how to use this thing. There you are. What are you doing, Hank?
I am making corundas.
Oh, tell me about those.
So this is a kind of tamal from Michoacan, which is on the Pacific coast of Mexico.
Oh, Greg Berger's watching.
And
say hi, Greg.
I've never done these before, so I'm going to do this horribly, but this is generally the idea, is you want to create, with a corn leaf, a little packet, a dumpling of masa, queso fresco, there's a little bit of lard in there, and you use corn leaves, not corn husks.
Which we just pulled off as corn plants.
Yes. So in the answer to the question, where do I get corn leaves? You don't. You have to grow it. So, again, this is the first time I've done it, so I'm getting used to it. So you kind of break the spine of the leaf, and you twist it around.
Greg says Hank's making Christmas ornaments.
A little bit. Edible ones. That creates like a cone, like that. And you take the ball of masa, which has a piece of cheese inside it, and you kind of squash it in there like that. And then here's the hard part, is to seal it. You go over, and then over, and then through. The through is the hard part.
Yeah, this part's the pain in the ass.
So you take the end of the corn leaf, push it through your fold here.
Actually, it just occurred to me that this might be easier if we didn't crack the stem or the rib at the very end of the leaf.
And pull it through so it's tight. Like that.
Oh, it looks great. Look at that.
And then you steam it for an hour. It's a pretty good one, actually. That's more or less how they're supposed to look.
It does look like a Christmas ornament.
And you then, after you steam them, you drop them in this big dark stew.
Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells incredible. What's in the stew?
It is venison and corn and cabbage and chilies and tomato and all sorts of good things.
Oh my god, it smells amazing. So if you guys want to catch this recipe, it's going to be on his website at some point in the near future. So yeah, you can catch it there. Go to his website, join his list, and you'll email out when you have a new recipe, right?
I do, every day.
Woot. So we're going to keep making tamales, and have a good one. Bye. Say bye.